So with the current situation hanging over dancehall, that DJ Casanova has been missing and some people are theorizing that he's dead, we've seen another sad piece of news emerging in the dancehall space, where popular promoter, the promoter of BRITJAM and owner and producer of Good Records, ZUM, has been shot and injured in TRELAWNY. Some of the headlines reads as follow: Good Productions producer shot. Popular promoter ZUM shot multiple times. Promoter producer ZUM shot 4 times in TRELAWNY. Good Productions ZUM shot multiple times in TRELAWNY. Me go explore it, peeps, when me circle and soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment, please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Popular dancehall producer and promoter Evan ZUM Powell was shot and injured along the Saltmarsh Main Road in TRELAWNY on Thursday.
This gentleman was driving a white Toyota Mark X car along the Saltmarsh Main Road, heading towards Montego Bay, accompanied by another passenger. When a burgundy Honda Accord pulled up beside the occupants of the Honda Accord and opened gunfire at the vehicle driven by Mr. Powell.
It is understood that ZUM was shot multiple times in his leg and is currently hospitalized. According to one eyewitness report, Powell's car ran off the road during the attack. However, the assailants were thwarted by his security detail.
He received gunshots to his groin, right thigh and left foot. Because of him being injured, he lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into nearby trees. A number of spent shells were recovered from the seat. Mr. Powell was taken to the hospital where he was admitted for treatment.
So as you'd have heard in those voice clips, head of the TRELAWNY Police Superintendent Clive Blair says Powell was traveling with another person. Superintendent Blair says Powell lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into trees. It is understood that at least 21 bullets were fired into Powell's car. The other man who was in the vehicle was not hurt. Superintendent Blair says he's being questioned. Powell is the owner of record label Good Productions, which signed media personality Yanni Curvidiva earlier this year, and the organizer for Montego Bay's BRITJAM Spring Break Festival, known for bringing the biggest international celebrities and acts to Jamaica, which recently included Young M.A., Rob Kardashian and Black China. Motorists in TRELAWNY says there was a backup of traffic for almost an hour as police processed the crime scene. Cops are yet to release the official statement as they continue to probe the incident. Ah boy.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
So peeps, first and foremost, for the sake of the music, for the sake of another Jamaican brother, let me take this opportunity to say that I am happy that ZUM's life was not taken and he has survived his injuries thus far, and the injuries were not fatal. You understand what I say? However, I am not in a position to speculate or theorize as to what might have led to the incident. Based on what the eyewitnesses and the police are saying, this probably was a hit, because if you're driving your car and somebody pull up to your car and fire at least 21 shots at or in your vehicle at you, then it would suggest to me that a man definitely come to kill ZUM. Why, I cannot say. You understand what I say? If it is a case where ZUM has nothing to do with what happened or has any idea of, or is not involved in any wrongdoing, then it is really sad. However, if ZUM would have brought this on himself by getting involved with the wrong persons or being a part of something that he should not be, then that is our next question and topic for debate. You understand? So we cannot speculate and we cannot theorize. At this point in time though, the producer is being hospitalized. He was shot multiple times in his leg, and his groin. Some persons are saying he was shot 4 times, some persons are saying it's multiple times, right? The police are confirming that about 21 shots were fired, so I don't know. It is believed that the man drive him car in Mark X and somebody pull up in a burgundy car and open fire. The other passenger in ZUM's car was not injured. I don't know if he was the one who fired at the vehicle, at the other at the car that was firing at ZUM, because they're saying, one of the reports is saying that the attack was thwarted by ZUM's security details, so we cannot speak to that. However, ZUM would have lost control of the vehicle. I mean, you're being fired at, you're shot in your leg, so the vehicle ran off the road and hit a tree. That again could have been fatal. Thank God that wasn't fatal. So as me I say, peeps, I want to listen me carefully. If this is a case of somebody just wanting to get rid of ZUM, I am happy that he's alive. If this is a case where ZUM got himself involved with the wrong persons and the wrong crowd, me don't know exactly what to say at the moment. Yes, maybe I say, but thankfully the producer is okay. Well, technically is recovering and he has been treated, so we'll see how it develops, we'll see how it goes. What I mean, tell you, no one is safe, eh? And you say Out West is a funny place and it can be as a result of anything, but as me I say, I'm not going to sit down here and speculate. Speedy recovery, youth, and hopefully everything work out. Make the police them do them work and we see how it go from here. So I'm gone. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.